together. Right now, over me. Come together right now, over me. Thank you so much, y'all. Thanks again.
Thanks, you guys. Thanks, Mel.
Yeah.